gentlemen, from the left, Major Baker and the F-16 Fighting Falcon. Setting up for his first aerobatic maneuver, the level Cuban 8. Watch as Major Baker traces a horizontal figure 8 over the demonstration area.
Easy to say, we have a list of people that we would take. A bullet for them, a bullet for you, a bullet for everybody in this room. But they don't seem to see many bullets coming through. See many bullets coming through. Metaphorically, I'm the man, but literally, I don't know what I do. I'd live for you, and that's hard to do. Even harder to say when you know it's not true. Even harder to write when you know that tonight that when people back home will try talking to you, but then you ignore them still. All these questions, they all look like things you ain't talking. You got more rank, would you have to do?
The F-16 and the knife edge pass. We hope you've enjoyed this brief display of only a fraction of the F-16's full combat capability. As an integral part of the most capable Air Force the world has ever known, your F-16 Vipers are ready to defend our nation's skies and dominate the battle space anytime, anywhere on the globe. Ready to aim high, fly, fight, and win. In the past year alone, your United States Air Force has flown over 200,000 hours supporting operations overseas. As a proud member of an all-volunteer Air Force, we hope our performance has inspired you to serve your country alongside the professional men and women you see in action today, either flying in the cockpit of an F-16 or on the ground guaranteeing its readiness to fight. If interested, find any member of the Air Force demonstration team or local Air Force recruiter. Any of these Air Force warriors will answer any questions you have and help you set a course for an amazing Air Force career. If interested in joining today's premier aerospace team, please stop by and talk with us at the Air Force recruiting booth located just behind Show Center.
And here comes Craig in the Viper.